Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn more Russian letters and sounds because we do love Russian, because we are hot for Russian. And this time we are going to revise the letters and sounds we learned at the previous lesson and learn some more sounds. So first of all, we repeat the last ones. And the first letter and sound we learned was S. S. They're having sex. Sometimes you can say like that. Who knows? Russia is so unpredictable. The second letter and sound is T. 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 And we say, oh, I'm ni tuk tuk in this sphere. Ni tuk tuk. Okay, the next sound and letter is oo, and we say foo. Oh my god, foo. Especially if it has like bad smell, we say foo, foo. And also we say like tak, tak. That means that, oh guy, you're so in a trouble. This is not a good sound at all. Tak. Tak. And the last sound is f, f. And we got some expressions. We got some words like foo, foo. Like I don't like it. Foo. That's not good what they're doing. Foo. And besides, it can be like bad smell. Foo. Foo. Okay, I think you got it. And also like fig. 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 That's I don't want to do what you want me to do. Fig. I don't do it. Fig. Fig. Okay, so I think you got it, and we are going to learn some more letters and sounds. Guys, today we're going to finish learning our sounds and letters, so be careful, and if you don't understand, please rewatch all videos. And our last video about letters is starting with the letter. It's like aspiration, like hall, you know, when you say it in English, hall. It's a little bit more. So you close your mouth a little bit more than pronouncing in English. You close your mouth and say. Okay, then the second sound is t, t. You see here that you put t plus s and you pronounce it together. Okay, so we have letter for that. So two sounds in one. So we have. Okay, enough with that. Next letter and sound is ch, 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 like cheese. Ch, ch, ch. And the last one with the first column is y, y, y. Actually, this sounds like a vocal, like e, e, y, but you pronounce it really fast, like e. You pronounce it y, 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 y. You have this sound like play, joy, day. Exactly, this is the same sound like in English, y, and we write it like this, y. Okay, so now we have y, ch, y, ch, y. All together. Okay, I think you got it. So we are going to watch the second column. And here we have the sound oo, oo. So you put your jaw to the front and you pronounce oo, oo. So try to copy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Like ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I hope you got it. Next letter is letter A. A, like cat. A, A. Okay, and one more, U. E plus O, pronounce it really fast. You, like Julia, you, you, you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's you. Okay, so we write it like this. And the last one, the last letter of our alphabet, the last letter, and we win, it's ya, ya. E plus O we pronounce together. Ya, 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 ya. Okay, I think you got it. And now we have some words to read. Look here. Can you read it? So this letter is this one, ch. This is R, and this is E, y. So pronounce it all together like chai, chai. Probably you know what is chai. It's tea. In Russian, it's tea. So in English, it's special tea, like from China, but in Russia, it's just tea. All tea we call chai, chai. Okay, next is, so this letter is this one, okay, and we say O and we say L. So double L we pronounce like one L. Whole, whole. So actually this is an English word we took from the English language. Whole is whole. Okay, so we know chai, whole, and then second word is really funny. So this letter is ts, ts, and this is u, and this is again ts, and we say tsits, tsits, tsits like shut up, shut up. We say tsits, tsits. When you want somebody to shut up really fast, so we say tsits, hey, tsits, 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 tsits. I think you got it. So when you want somebody to shut up, we say tsits. Okay, and one more is a girl name. So we are going to Russia, we are going to meet some girls, and we must know some girls' names. So this name is the girl's one. The first letter is this one. So A, A. Next is L, you know this, L, and the last is Ya. So we put it all together and we say Ella, Ella. It's a girl's name, Ella. Toots. Ella. Toots. Okay, I think you got all letters and all sounds, and we revised them all together. So it's H, T, Ch, Y, U, A, U, and Ya. I hope you learned all letters and all sounds, and you're ready to continue to learn Russian with Irina, who will be your key to your success to get a Russian girlfriend in Russia, because you are hot for Russian. You're so hot for... Whew, so hot here. So hot. Because you're hot for Russian.